Okay.
Are you ready?
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jayllnn
And your boy Cardo here.
and we are back with our very first cooking show. So today on the menu, we're going to be making Hot Cheeto and Blue Takis deep fried Chipotle Burritos. So make sure you double tap that like button, subscribe if you are new. We're on our way to 3.5 million subscribers.
Crazy. And make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel as well. Yeah. It will be in the description below, so make sure y'all go check out the description as well, alright?
Yes, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay. So boom, we secured the bag. Of course, we do have our queso and our extra sour cream. We're gonna put that over to the side. And we also have the vinaigrette because you can't have Chipotle without vinaigrette.
I think the Blue Takis is gonna be low-key like lit.
You know, it's gonna be so cool. And also we are gonna eat at the end, so make sure you get your food ready so you can eat with us.
Right.
So this is my setup. I have my hot Cheetos, pan for flour, pan for hot Cheetos, and this is a base setup. He got his Blue Takis, pan for flour, pan for Blue Takis, and of course the eggs to make sure everything is explicit.
Voila. Do you first?
You first, ladies first.
No. This is, not too much and not too little, because we doubling it, okay?
Okay.
We doubling it. Just enough to cover the pan.
There you go. Yeah.
Just shake it a little bit.
Period. All right, you guys, so the flour is in place. Yes. Now it's time to crunch up the chips.
Let's do it.
So let's go ahead and crunch our chips. We're gonna open it, put them in the bag.
Dump them in that bag.
Do we need 2 bags or?
I honestly don't know, but it's better be safe than sorry. So, okay. Oh my gosh.
Wait. Where we go?
Yeah.
You want one?
Sure. Yeah, hot Cheetos in a minute, actually. What the? Oh no. Oh no.
Have you played with me to shoot?
Boy, you need to make sure they're crunched.
Yeah, what's these? What's this?
I don't really eat Takis, so I don't know.
Takis are really good. You're crazy.
You have to try one, but I don't
Of course.
The blue ones? You had the blue ones before?
Mm-hmm.
You got for real?
They're really good.
Oh my God. Honestly, how do you people eat these things?
They're meant for bad bitches, so clearly you're not a bad bitch.
I don't want to be a bad bitch. But
The Takis are in the bag. Let's show us what you made of. Oh, yeah, put that big badonka-donk on there. That'll crush all of them, boo. In there. Oh, there we go.
Oh my
And the task has been completed. Now let's pour our hot Cheeto dust and our Blue Takis dust into the pan. Okay. We gotta make sure that your thing's out of there.
All right.
Oh my God. How long have we been together?
We've been together, this year makes 7 years.
7 years, you guys. You know, a lot of people can't make it to the point. They can't make it past 7 days, let alone 7 years. Ooh. So we showing them how to do it. Take notes, boo.
Oh.
Yeah. But yes, you guys, 7 years of dealing with this
Gemini.
Yeah,
Yep.
Gemini.
7 years of dealing with this Gemini, let alone 7 years of dealing with this Libra.
King Libra. Libra
Yeah.
season, yeah, what's good? You get on my nerves.
You talking about it's I'm allowed to deal with. You allowed to.
You allowed to.
What's good?
What's good?
What's good? What's trying to do?
So now what do we do?
Now it's time to dip our burrito.
Period. The question is, did you guys move? And yes, you guys, we moved into our brand new home.
Yes.
We're now officially in a house. We went from a penthouse to a house. And I love it so far. It's a different vibe. It's so big.
So much
5,000
room.
square foot mansion tees. What's good?
I know. So much room, so much space. I love it. I absolutely adore it, honestly. I'm so happy, so proud of us, the long way that we have came. Shout out to y'all for sticking with us through our whole journey. And we're not stopping here, so yeah.
Exactly, and that leads us into the next question. Somebody said, how old are we? We're only 25 years old.
Oh, crazy!
We have one of our dream cars, and we're living in our dream home at only 25 years old. We're definitely doing it. No drama needed. What's good?
Don't need to argue. There's no need to argue.
Yeah, what's good? Honestly, let's stamp this. Since it's Pride Month, let's stamp this. Me and Carter are the best black gay couple ever.
The biggest.
And the biggest.
The biggest.
We don't care about who you like. Put the stats up. Bring the spreadsheet. We good over here. We the biggest and we the bestest, babe. Papa, yeah, let them know. Let them know, babe.
Smooth, so slight. Like, you know, we always stepping where we stepping. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
We don't need to be out here in the streets.
Put respect on Jayllnn and Carter name.
We don't need to be out here in the streets. We in a home, baby. We don't need to be out in the streets. We in a home.
We walking so your faith can run.
Love it.
So now, let's go ahead and dip the burrito.
All right, Bae is about to put the eggs in the pan. Okay. One egg down. Okay.
I crack things around here.
Not me. But yeah, sure.
Actually,
3. Then we probably gonna need like 4 eggs.
it's 3, right?
I think that's 4.
This is 4.
Yeah, that's 4.
That's how you do it.
Period. So show us how you do it. First, you coat it in eggs.
Get it good and submerged in the egg. Flour.
Okay.
Make sure she's coated in the flour good. You don't have to do too much rolling in this. Just flipping and patting, really.
Okay.
Once that's done, we're gonna take her back
Into the egg. And then the next step after this.
She goes into the Takis.
Okay.
This is the fun part.
Right, this is the best part. Now you get to coat it. This is gonna give it that blue outer shell.
I know. It's gonna be so insane.
It's gonna be so yummy.
So now let me. Oh no, man. So now it's time for me to dip my burrito in my hot Cheeto dust. So let's go ahead and do that.
So we do have our fryer already heating up, so we can just dip it in when we're done. Get it coated up in the eggs.
Right.
Soaked up.
Rub it on in there like you. Oh, you're weird. Stop being weird.
Okay. We're going to coat it in flour.
Look at you. Massage it in there real good.
Okay.
Look at you. Good job. Yours might come out better than mine. At this point, honestly, I think it might come out better than mine.
And you're gonna put it back into the eggs and get it all yolked up.
This might be the little challenge.
But I'm getting my nails done soon. So my nails are coming very soon. And put it into the hot
Cheetos.
This is the fun part.
This is always the fun part. Y'all have to try this recipe if y'all haven't tried it already. Yours came out fantastic.
What do they want to know? Like, are you happy?
I am super happy. Honestly, there's nothing that I can complain about. I love my life. I love Tim. I love y'all. I love everything.
Yeah, honestly, same. I love my life. I love who I am. I love who I became. I love my man. I love the relationship. And I love you guys. Cheers to more success.
So mine is officially frying. We're gonna do 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other, and then 2 minutes on top and bottom, and your thing should be completely done. Yours came out good too.
Mine has a big hole in it, so yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so tasty.
I'm scared. Should we slide yours over some? Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
You got it, okay? Boom. Perfect, babe. Perfect. Yay.
Oh my God, I love you so much.
I think it's time to flip mine over now.
Watch your fingers. Look at that.
Yes.
What? Some of my blue Takis got on yours.
I know. All right, you guys, so we're gonna let these fry and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna be all set to eat.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm ready.
All right, you guys, so the burritos are now all done and they came out so good.
Crazy and grand. Starving, this is insane. Like crazy.
No, so good.
Insane.
So good. Mix mine all together. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it came out looks so good. All over there.
Oh my God, it's gonna be so messy. Or I'm gonna start it. Oh, hey, boy. I honestly don't like Takis. But what? I had a cheese
I
bowl.
know, me too.
This was crazy.
All right, y'all, let's go in for the second bite. Ready? Want some?
I tried them. Crazy.
Oh my God.
Crazy good. Come on. That whole shebang.
Okay. So good, I gotta make some more sauce.
Hold on.
Babe, are you crazy?
Right. I'm good.
10 out of 10, definitely will recommend. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you leave a like on this video so we know that you guys want to see another one, and we would definitely do a part 2 and we would cook something even more crazy. This was amazing. Great job, baby.
Great job to you.
We killed it.
We gotta go. Because I'm about to finish messing this up. And I know he is too.